Are you looking for ways to make money online but feel overwhelmed by the numerous tools and platforms available? If so, you might want to consider using GPT, an innovative platform that offers a range of benefits for those looking to earn money online. So, what is GPT exactly? It is a writing assistant that provides users with a variety of content prompts and ideas. Whether you are a blogger, freelance writer, or content creator, GPT can help you generate new ideas and streamline your content creation process. But GPT is not only for writers, it is also an excellent tool for those looking to make money online. One of the primary benefits of using GPT for online money-making is the platform's ability to help users generate new ideas and topics to write about. By providing users with a constant stream of fresh ideas, GPT can help writers increase their output and produce more content in less time, which means more clients or projects and ultimately higher earnings. In addition to generating new ideas, GPT also helps users optimize their content for search engines. By analyzing search trends and offering SEO-friendly prompts, GPT can help writers create content that is more likely to rank well on Google and other search engines. This means that writers can attract more readers and potential clients, leading to higher earnings. Another benefit of using GPT for online money-making is the platform's user-friendly interface. Unlike other content creation tools that can be complicated and difficult to navigate, GPT is straightforward and easy to use. This means that writers can spend less time trying to figure out how to use the platform and more time creating content and earning money. Finally, GPT offers a range of different pricing plans to suit different needs and budgets. Whether you are a beginner writer just starting out or an experienced content creator looking to take your business to the next level, GPT has a plan that will work for you. With affordable pricing and a range of features and benefits, GPT is an excellent investment for anyone looking to make money online. In conclusion, GPT is an innovative platform that can help users increase their output and earnings. From generating new ideas to optimizing content for search engines, GPT offers a range of benefits for those looking to earn money online. If you want to take your online business to the next level, consider giving GPT a try. And as always, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe and click that notification bell for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.